Hello guys, welcome back to my page. I want to share with you how you will use this Ninja machine and this tiles, this part of it, how you will use it and cut your okra and you will get a good result. Let's do it together. So you will start by adding this one. So it is inside. Look at it. So you will start by adding this one and this one on top like this. So you fix it. So the next thing is this one. This time add it too, and you will start by, here's my okra and I have washed it, so it is now to use machine and cut it to the way I will use it and cook. Yeah guys, stay tuned. This is how it will be looking. Yes, it will give you different cuts, which is nice. You see it? Yeah. So guys, if you want to get it more smaller, that you don't want it, some of it that is big, look at what I did. Look at what I did. I turned this thing upside down. Normally it's supposed to be like this, but it's supposed to be cover like this, but I turned it up like this. So, and this is the type of cut it gives me, very small. So just want to show you that you can use it in different form. Yet that I don't like my okra so tiny like this, so I have to continue with the other distant size I used in the first one. So let's go. So guys, here is it. Here is final result. I have my because I used the two sizes. Yes, that is why it took me up to 2 minutes. Yeah, that is why it took me up to 2 minutes. Yes, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with people that will want to see it. Bye.